Hi Flosstube, it's Tara, also known as the 805 Stitcher, and this is my second Flosstube video. First one was a lot of fun. I got a lot of good feedback on it. I have like 30 some subscribers already. I don't know that many people, but somebody liked watching me, I guess. Getting a blank. Okay, so how was your weekend? It's Sunday, November 17th, I think. It's morning here. I don't know about the rest of you out there, but here in California today, it is very warm. We're in the 80s, I believe, or will be in the 80s. And it's very windy. So we always worry about that with all the fires we've had. We had one in our area a couple weeks ago, I believe. Not too close, but it's just crazy. Every time the wind blows, there's a fire. So let's keep our fingers crossed that nothing comes of it. It's supposed to be warm today and tomorrow, and then I think there's rain in the forecast on Wednesday. So hopefully. Last time when I talked to you all, I kind of mentioned some other Flosstubers I watched, and I totally blanked out. So I did want to mention a few more. I watched Heather Confetti Stitcher. Heather is also in my Stitchy group, so she's great. She does wonderful work, beautiful. She does kind of a daily vlog, so go check her out. There was a new girl in our stitching group yesterday, and she also does Flosstubes, but I didn't get her name, but her name is Megan. I'll try to get it next time I see her, maybe next month. She's a nice girl. I love watching Married with Stitches. That's Derek and Christian, I believe. Crack me up, they're so funny. Sunshine Stitchers I watch. I also just found Carla Being Crafty. She's a California girl as well, and she's really funny, and I think we have a lot in common. So she's like a soul sister. Brenda and the Serial Starter. I like that one. And I'm just watching a new one. She's done 2 videos, I believe, and her name is Lee. I think it's Creative Lee, Leigh, and she's from New Zealand. So I love her accent, and she does some beautiful work. She's fast. She's really, really fast. She started a chatelaine just recently, like 3 days ago, and she's really far into it. So check her out, Creative Lee, Leigh. So, let's get on. Let's get right into this. I want to share some finishes with you. I kind of feel like I never finish anything. It's an ongoing joke, but I did have some this year. So I'm going to share those with you. The first finish I had this year was Primitive Hair, Old Salem Company. This was my mom. It was in my mom's stash. She had the linen for it, and also the pattern. So I went ahead and did that one. And so as you can see, I'm in the middle of finishing it, or finally finishing it. I didn't have enough material for the size of the frame that I picked, so I had to sew some on, and so I'm trying to get it even so I can put it in the frame. This linen was also from Primitive Hair. So that's Old Salem Broom Company. I'm using my laptop this time, so it's a little bit better setup. I'm not on the pancake mix, but I am still on a box. So that's Old Salem Broom Company. The next one that I finished was, I apologize, I tried to remember No Crinkles. Barbara Anna Designs, Let It Snow. I hope this isn't too washed out. This was really fun to do, really fun, and it's so cute. Let me see. Let me reach over here. Got everything all spread out. But here we go. Barbara Anna Designs. Except Let It Snow. Very, very cute. Can't see, but I hope you can see it. This is also in my to be finished, fully finished pile. This is the frame I got for it, so I think that would look really nice in there. Let's see. What do you think? Yeah. Just need to get her done. So, Barbara Anna Designs, Let It Snow. Okay. And the third finish I had this year was Primitive Needleworks. The glare. What's it called? Turkey and Pumpkin Pie. So cute. Let me get the glare up there. Sorry. Should have taken it out of the plastic. Turkey and Pumpkin Pie. This is my finish. Turkey and Pumpkin Pie. This one just cracks me up with her axe, and she's going after the turkey and the pumpkin's running away too. Super cute. And I've got the finishing fabric for it. I wanted to do a flat fold. I've got all the stuff to do it. I've watched Vanna's video probably 10 times. And yeah, I gotta do it because we're at Thanksgiving now. So maybe in my next video I'll have it done. I'm not betting on it though. So those are some of the finishes that I've done. Yeah, not a lot. But like I said, I'm not a fast stitcher. I work full time. I have an Etsy shop, and so I sew a lot, and I've got that little birth pond record I'm working on. Okay, so those are my finishes. Let's talk about haul. Yesterday was our stitching group. We meet once a month in at our local needlework shop, which is a thread garden up in Newbury Park, and is actually less than a mile from me. Yeah, I don't go there very often though because she closes at she's open on Saturday, but I don't really have to go in there too much. And then during the week she closes at 5, so I can't make it there in time. So which is probably a good thing because once a month I spend money over there like crazy. But I did buy some needle minders from Manfred Minders, and I'm an in-hand stitcher, so I don't use a lot of needle minders, but I can't help buy them because they're so cute. So I got this one. Where is it at? There it is. Isn't that cute? Santa on a candy car. This one, anything to do with Rudolph. Adorable. You probably all seen these. I probably saw them. And then I got Ursula. I love octopuses. So those are the ones I got from Mad for Minders. And then I got this one at my local needlework shop. Michelle is the owner, and she gave each of us in our group a little leaf. So that was very nice. Thank you, Michelle. So, speaking of our local needlework shop, like I said, yesterday was our stitchy group. We meet every third Saturday. So, if you are local to our area, come on in. So, if you're just visiting, come on in. So I did some purchasing of some stuff, some things there. So the first one I got was La Di Da. Oh jeez. Oh, there we go. La Di Da, Miss Sarah Jane. And I saw this, and I I loved it, but I knew the colors were not true in this picture. This is a terrible, terrible picture. So we looked it up when we were there, and the colors are really vibrant, and it's beautiful. So yeah, if you have a chance, Google Miss Sarah Jane La-Di-Da, and sometimes these pictures just do not do them justice. And this is the case of this one. So bought this one. I thought this was really, really cute. Probably seen it. Limited edition kit. It's a Lizzie Kate Winter Fog Kit. Let's see. Maybe I can get that one. No. It comes with the linen and the little scissors. Super cute. Probably won't have it done this year. Maybe next year. So there's that. And then if you remember from my first video, my fears, dust. Dust was one of my fears. So I saw this and I just had to have it. It's another Lizzie Kate, the Giggle Boxers, and you can touch the dust, but please don't write in it. Okay. I showed that to Danny, my boyfriend. He didn't get it. What's not to get? It's super funny. So, stitchy thing about dust. Perfect for me. Already dusted this morning. My granddaughter is coming to spend the night. I'm giving my daughter and son-in-law a little break because she's making them crazy. And so she's kind of allergy, she's allergic. I think she's allergic to the dogs, which I cannot promise they won't be barking because they are all in the house. Oh yeah, they're all right there. Kona, the Rhodesian Ridgeback, which is Danny's son's, is afraid of wind. Yeah, wind and rain. So every time it's windy or raining, she will whine and cry. So had to bring her in because she was crawling up the walls outside. So anyway, if they bark, I'll try to pause it. Nala is just the crazy bark. She'll bark at anything. Person walking down our street, they're not allowed to do that. Okay, and I know there's been some controversy about this. I don't know. The Prairie Moon new re-releases, the digital patterns. Some people are just like $28 for, or I don't even. $28 for a digital pattern is just too much. I kind of agree, but after saying that, I have spent quite a bit of money for Prairie Moon because we all know they're out of print. They're not being released anymore. So I love the Crypt Club, and I have Martini Stitches. No, Martini Witches. Oh, that's who I also watched. Two Martini Stitcher. She's great. But I do have Martini Witches, and I have the Zombies, and do I have another Crypt Club? Yes, I have the Fortune Teller. Fortune Teller, something to do with Dorothy. I don't know. But so I went on there, and I'm like, oh gee, okay, they've got them all there. I can get them. And I debated. I really debated because, again, it is costly. But I have paid more than $28 for the other ones I have. So I broke down and I did Prairie Moon, Merry Christmas. This was one I've been dying to get. I would love to get them all. There's a few I don't really need. I like the stitching one. There's a stitching, and then there's one with all the family, I think. That one I like. The Three Amigas. That one's really cute. But I've always liked this one, so I broke down and I got it. So, yeah. I mean, to some people, it's not worth it. But if you really have been trying to find these, yeah. Everyone's everyone's gonna make their own decision, I guess. So I decided to get it. So that was my haul. Not a lot. Don't even have any new material. Everything is kind of more of what I already had. So one thing about material and about my Etsy shop, there is going to be like a big Black Friday sale. I think it's Etsy wide. So I think everything on my site is going to be 20% off. So if you're kind of debating on whether to get something, maybe hold off. It's starts November 26th, and I think it's through the 3rd. I'm not sure. It's a week. So yeah, that'll be fun. Who all does Black Friday? I can't. I mean, I've done it in the past. I did it when my daughter was little because it seemed they had a lot of good stuff. Now it's all electronics, and I'm not one to buy TVs and game systems and all that stuff. So I don't. I'm not a big Black Friday shopper, but oh well. Some people like to do it. I did enjoy it. One time I did it when, but now it's like they start on Thanksgiving, and I mean, we're supposed to be home with our families, not out shopping. And the poor people who have to work, that's just not right. So anyway, but it's the Etsy shop, Black Friday, and anything purchased in that period, like December 3rd, I would guarantee that for Christmas. So if you're buying any gifts, and maybe through like the 10th, if you're thinking about getting some gifts from my shop, because right now don't have a lot of inventory. I'm kind of making as I go, so kind of busy. Anyway, so that was my haul and a little bit about the shop. Got my notes here. I don't know what it is about everybody saying they don't like people eating or drinking on their Flosstube videos. I don't care. So, my tea. Look at what a cute cup. My daughter got it for me years ago. Alright, so when I did my first video, I said that part of what I'd like to do is to show some of my mom's things. So that's kind of a remembrance of her. She was just the avid stitcher. I mean, she stitched as long as I remember, all my life, which you'll see on some of these dates. So the first one I want to show you, I don't know who the designer was. I mean, these are pretty old. I mean, they are old. She did a lot of like Scandinavian stuff. But I pulled this one out today. Oh my gosh, I need to get this framed. This is absolutely gorgeous. I hope you can really see it. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know who the designer is, but can you see that? I mean, look at that. It is absolutely beautiful. This needs to be in a frame, and it's done. It's completely done. Look at, it's so pretty. The red is not showing up as red as it is. It's kind of they're really vibrant reds. It's beautiful. This needs to be in a frame. This is not going back in the chest. This is going to be framed. And hopefully the next time I show it to you, it will be framed. So, absolutely beautiful. And then she did this, what does it say? 1971. So, I'm going to date myself here, but I was 7. This was what my mom did when I was growing up. So, it's just absolutely gorgeous. It just blows me away. I didn't even know it was in there. I just went to grab some stuff because I went through a lot of her stuff, and I tell you, I gave away a lot of stuff. But some things that she'd started, I'm like, oh, that's cute, or there were finished pieces, and I'm like, okay, I'll do that. But I haven't gone through that in probably 2 years. So this was a wonderful find, wonderful. So that is going to be done. Okay, another one she did, sorry, is, I don't know who this is either, but look at this. It's a huge bell pull. I don't even know how tall it is. I mean, it's huge. Look at that. And it's all done. All done. It's probably, I don't know, I'm 5'2". It's gotta be 4 feet. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. Oh. I think I might have to pause. Yeah. I'm gonna pause for a minute. Okay, we're back. Yeah. That was Nala. Nala was the one. Oh, she's back. And she's going outside. She's the one that barks at everything. So, yeah. Who knows what was outside? Probably just the wind. But again, look at how gorgeous this is. I mean, oh my gosh, she did such wonderful work. I don't even know what count this is, or I would say it's 32 maybe? I don't know. I'm not sure. But absolutely gorgeous. I need to finish this. She did this one in 1972. I've got interrupting my video. I don't know what he's doing. I told him to go watch football out in the trailer. So she even had she has the backing for it. Pretty green. Gorgeous. The batting's in here. The cording. I've just got to put it together. And find a bell pull for it. Gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Mom. Oh. You know, it's funny because at my local needlework shop, the owner, Michelle, she knew my mom. And it's kind of fun to talk to her about some things my mom did. There's a piece that Michelle helped my mom with, finding some linen. And she's like, can you find that? And she would love to see it. I think I know where it is. But anyway, she was telling me the stories. So she knew my mom's love of Halloween, and it's just wonderful. This is a one my mom did as well. That's a shepherd's bush. It looks like shepherd's. I probably say my mom did a lot of shepherd's bush, so imagine that shepherd's bush. And she also did this one. These little boxes where she did a bunch of these boxes, and I think I bought this pattern. Can't really find it, but I think I bought it. So cute. So it doesn't stand up though. So it's gonna. Okay. All right. Oh, I'm gonna get my hair did. Ever since I lived in the South, I was gotta get my hair did. Okay, and then the last one I have for my mom. This is the pattern. There's actually a pattern here. This one is not done, but it's close to being done. So, but I don't know. There's a lot of backstitch in this. I'm not a real fan of backstitch, but it is gorgeous. Is she stitching? I think she's stitching, and the guy's reading the paper or something. So this is a Scandinavian, Danish pattern. She was big on those. So, all the steps. So this is where she was at. I mean, there's not a lot to do. Yeah, so who knows, maybe I'll put it together, be cute in the dining room or something. Love it, love it. My mom was just so talented. I wish I had half the skill she has. Okay, so that was Mom's Corner. I think we'll do that every once in a while, or you know, if people really like seeing that stuff. Maybe next time we'll do Halloween, because we have a lot of Halloween. So Mom's Corner. Now let's see. On my list, I say we're going to be going over whips. Okay, I only have 2. One's a new start. So I've been working on, everyone, well, if you watched my last Flosstube video, you know that this is my nemesis. Little Pond birth record. I've gotten quite a bit done since I last complained about it. This corner I did yesterday when we were at Stitchy Group, and I don't think I had gotten as much done on the giraffe, and maybe this little duck on the bottom. So I mean, I there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and I think so. I work on this during lunch at work. Sometimes I work on it at night if I'm not sewing, but I think I can go back to my pedicurist and say I want my toes done, because I've been avoiding them. So anyway, that's the Little Pond birth record. It's coming along. Who knows? Maybe I want to say by the end of the month. I have like Thanksgiving, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Is everybody cooking? I'm cooking. My daughter is supposed to come help me, but that doesn't always work out. She needs to learn this stuff, so I can just go to her house, because I've been doing it for many, many years. But yeah, I'm cooking, so that'll be. Am I the only one who goes a little manic with cleaning and prepping and all that stuff? I don't know. I mean, I'm kind of glad because I really get my house clean, but yeah, I kind of overdo it. But then I feel like, Thanksgiving, you get that big clean, because once you put everything out for Christmas, nothing really moves. So you gotta cut, all the decorations and stuff. So anyway, I'll be cooking, but I'm hoping maybe Friday after Thanksgiving, just spending that whole, because Danny will be at work, and I'll be tired after Thanksgiving, so spending that whole day stitching, maybe, who knows, maybe I'll knock it out. Hopefully by the end of the month. If not, by the end of the year, and then the baby will only be 3 months old. It's like, I think it's good. All right, and my new start, I did, this is my bag. I have this in the shop. That's something. I'm signed on to do a SAL at the beginning of the year. It's a Hands Across the Sea sampler. Ann Roberts, gorgeous. One of the admins of the group. It's it's a Facebook group, but anyway, I'll tell you next time. But she had bought this bag to go with this sampler pattern and the SAL, and it really has a lot of these colors in it. It's gorgeous. It's perfect. So I'm like, I've got the bag. I might as well do the SAL. So it's a 2020 SAL. It's through the whole year. So it's not like you have it done in 30 days or something. So I can do that. I have never done a sampler. Not been a sampler kind of gal. But anyway, I'm going to do it. I ordered it. It'll be in my haul next time, because it's on the way. So this was my little start last night. It's a Mill Hill Autumn Harvest. Isn't it cute? I don't think I've ever done a Mill Hill kit. Maybe I have. I think I have done some little ornaments, angels, back in the day. There was a whole series of them, I think. Excuse me, he might get messages. But I thought he was cute. I thought it was seasonal. Well, Thanksgiving-y. Remember that word? Thanksgiving-y. So, autumn harvest. And this is where I'm at. Big old start. So, got a little bit of the acorn. I guess this is his tail. These are his little arms. Yeah. So it'll be cute. Yeah, I just did a little bit of it while I was watching Flosstube last night. Who was I watching? Who was I watching last night? I don't remember. Oh well. So that was my new start. So those are the only 2 whips I have, and one was a new start. So now what? Plans. I really like doing this Flosstube, because I can tell you my plans and I feel like I have to do them. Gotta do them. I told you guys. Call me out. Just call me out if I don't do them. Okay? Okay, plans. Like I said my last Flosstube video, I have a granddaughter and I also have a grandson on the way. He's due in April. So I've got another birth record to do, or birth thing. So I am going to do Wonderful Life, Heart in Hand. I thought it was really cute. I got it approved by my daughter, because she's very picky what goes up in her house. So yeah, so that I need to start this. I think it'll go fast. Don't we always say that? It's gonna go fast. There's nothing to it. We'll see. I kept all the same. Let me see. I think I did all the same. I changed the linen, but all of the Classic Colorworks, Weeks Dye Works, I went with that, which I'm kind of kicking myself for now because there's so little. Really, do you need to use the overdyed floss? Is that what it's called? I don't know. Maybe I'll do DMC on a lot of it but I've already got them. But maybe I'll just do it in my stash, and I don't know. We'll see. But this is Cecilia Turner, Heart in Hand, Wonderful Life. So that's going to be for my grandson. They're still deciding on a name. It was Noah for a while. I don't know if Noah's sticking or not. Then they were saying Parker. But my granddaughter is Harper. Parker and Harper. That's chaos. Chaos ready to happen. So I got 28 count mushroom Lugana. Nice, natural. I love Lugana. I really do. I should do more things on it. Like I said, I got all the floss. I don't know though. I might not do it in this because those are some little things that I don't think need to be variegated. So maybe I'll just go into my stash. So that's a plan. Start that. I don't think I'll have a Flosstube video next week because, excuse me, it's going to be the weekend before Thanksgiving, and I'm going to try to go down south and hit this material store that I'm told is wonderful. So, and then there's all the manic cleaning that has to go on before Thanksgiving. So I don't think so. And I'm getting busy on the Etsy. I've gotten, yeah, you guys are doing some shopping for Christmas, I think. So anyway, probably not. Maybe after Thanksgiving, because I'll have all my Christmas decorations up. It'll be fun. So, okay, another thing I want to start. I got this when I was in Vegas at Stitcher's Paradise. That's a fun place. It's an expensive place too. I should have budgeted a little more than I thought I was going to spend. So anyway, I got this. It was a Nashville exclusive kit from this year, and it's called Stitcher's Home by the Primitive Hare. It's so cute. I told you I like anything stitchy. Anything stitchy. So what is this? Yeah, it's so cute. The home and spool and the tape measures. I think you stitch the tape measures, I'm not sure. Yeah, you stitch those tape measures. So cute, and it comes with the mounting pieces for it. There's a nice kit and the fabric. I don't think it's very big. How big is this? Well, it can't be that big. The grid size 67 by 129. Oh, design area 60 by 124 stitches. So whip it out, right? That'll be no problem. So that's another new start I wanted to do. Get some stitches in that. That's fun. So those are my plans. Would love to do that flat fold of that turkey and pumpkin pie. I can't do it today. I got it. When I finish here, I've got to go back upstairs and do some stitching or sewing. I have a custom order that I'm working on and some other stuff. I do customs, so just shoot me over your fabric and I'll get them out for you. So that's about it. No, it wasn't in the trailer. No ocean sounds this time. Maybe you'll hear the wind and the wind chimes. That'd be kind of cool. I think that's it. This is my dining room. I like that thing over there. It says, of all the names I've been called, I like grandmother best. My daughter got me nothing this week. Okay, so I think we're done. And if I'm not back next week, I hope everybody has a wonderful Thanksgiving. And if you're like me, you're excited because the weekend after Thanksgiving is when all the Christmas goes up and explodes Christmas in our house. That's what they tells me. So until then, everybody have a great week, and I'll talk to you again when I see you. Bye.